Thank you, Nathan Anderson, Nevada State Education Association and the Washoe Education Association, speaking in support of this bill. There's a few reasons why. I think the first reason has to do with the fact that all three roles are incredibly important to our school environment. And the fact that it is now defined and clarified how each is used differently, as opposed to being, unfortunately, there are some people that think that it's interchangeable and they're not. Each allows for help, for different ways to help the mental health of our students. I think another thing that I wanted to bring forward as well is that I greatly appreciate the amount of work Senator Don Darrow Loop put into both clarifying how important our mental health services are for our students, but also how different each of these items go into. And then finally, I also wanted to go into the Nationally Board certification process. It's a very important item for our counselors as well as for our school psychologists. And although I do not represent the school psychs in Washoe, I am part of an education coalition with them. For our counselors, we've been able to actually get them that Nationally Board certification little bump in pay in Washoe, and so it'd be wonderful to be able to have that across the state. So I will ask for your support. Thank you.
Thank you.